Hi everybody, Greener Man here. Hope you're all well. Today we're looking at the Olight Baton 3 Pro in an orangey colour. It's the cool white version as opposed to the neutral white. I received it as a gift at Christmas. I was very lucky. I don't know much about Olight. It's the first Olight I've got, but it's a really good EDC flashlight. It's got lots of different beam features, including the attack flash one. It's quite a nice size. It's not overly big. It's got a good light battery time, and by all accounts they're really good. I think it's waterproof. So today we're going to unbox it. Quite excited to see what it looks like. On paper it looks great, but you never know till you open these things and actually see what you're getting. So I've seen lots of videos on Olight, lots of people raving about them. So it comes in a nice smart box, all sealed. You can tell it's not been messed with. It's got a rip top lid on it, so I'll take that off. Again, I'm filming with one hand using my unprofessional methods, but you get to see what's in it. So there's at the top of the box, rip it off. There's a little tab to pull with an arrow on it, a yellow tab. And pull that out, and it's like a sleeve with a drawer inside it. Read me. Tells you about the little plastic disc that's between the battery and the torch inside, which stops the torch being switched on while it's in transit in the box, in the packaging. Because they can get quite hot, these torches, and you could potentially end up with some sort of fire situation, I suppose. So when you get the torch, you've got to unscrew the lid, the top part of it where the beam is and the clippers, and inside there's a little plastic disc. You take it out, put the lid back on, and then you can charge it up. Don't try and charge it with the plastic disc in, because it won't charge a thing. That comes off. A little message off Olight. Thank you for supporting us, for buying our light. Quite a nice little message, that. User manual, typical sort of thing, telling you about the torch, how to use it, the buttons, the features, the different beam settings, and the battery. Again, there's a warning paper. This explains about the beam being quite hot when it's in high mode, the turbo mode. If you hold it close to things, it could potentially get hot or cause a fire. A little pouch, an Olight pouch, quite a nice little thing, sort of a velvety feeling bag with a drawer top. I believe Olight don't recommend you put your torch in these in case they switch on and they get hot, but it's quite nice for carrying the charger and other little bits in. There's the usual Olight charger, which is a magnetic one, which clips on the bottom of the torch automatically. Flip the box over, and there's the actual torch itself. As you can see, quite a nice size against my hand. It comes in a little bag. I'll take it out of the bag. I do like this colour. It's different. It shows up if you drop it on the grass. I quite like it. Yeah, it's nice. Beats the old black ones. Yep. So we're looking at the clip. It's a two-way clip. It's very strong. You can clip it on your cap, so you can have like a reading light on your cap. Leave your hands free. It works both ways. It could be a pocket clip as well, so it doesn't fall out your pocket. As you can see, the charger jumps straight on there, fixes into place. So you've got no issues about is it charging or not. You know, as soon as it clicks in, it's charging. You also get a little green light when it's charged and a red light when it's not charging, right next to the base. So that's quite handy. You know if it's actually charging or not. Nice size. You can see against my fingers there. It's good. It's quite nice to hold. It's not too thin. It's not too big. It's not a heavy torch. It's a good EDC size. So hopefully I'm going to have some good tests with this torch and some good little videos to show you about using it, and keep subscribing to the channel and you might see them.